Welcome to this lesson on public key cryptography and how crypto wallets work. In this video, we'll explore the fundamental technology that keeps cryptocurrency transactions secure. Public key cryptography is the backbone of blockchain security, and understanding it is essential for anyone working with digital currencies. Let's dive into how these cryptographic systems protect your digital assets. Public key cryptography is an encryption system that uses two mathematically linked keys working together. In this system, one key encrypts data while the other decrypts it. This is also called asymmetric encryption, which distinguishes it from traditional encryption methods that use a single key. This technology forms the foundation of cryptocurrency security, making it possible to send and receive digital assets safely across the internet without needing to meet in person or share secret information beforehand. Every cryptocurrency wallet uses a pair of keys that work together. The private key is a secret key that must be kept secure by the owner at all times. Think of it as your master password. On the other hand, the public key can be shared openly with everyone. It's designed to be distributed freely without compromising security. These two keys are mathematically related, meaning they work as a pair, but knowing the public key doesn't reveal the private key. The private key is the most critical component of your cryptocurrency wallet. It's used to sign transactions and prove that you are the rightful owner of the funds. This key must remain secret and secure at all times because anyone who gains access to your private key gains complete control over your cryptocurrency. Your private key directly controls access to your funds on the blockchain. If you lose your private key, you lose access to your cryptocurrency forever. There's no password recovery, no customer service to call. This is why securing your private key is absolutely essential. Public keys serve a different but equally important purpose. They are used to verify signatures created by your private key, confirming that transactions are authentic. Unlike private keys, public keys are completely safe to share publicly with anyone. When someone wants to send you cryptocurrency, they use your public key or the address derived from it. Think of your public key like an email address that you share openly so others can send you messages, except in this case, they're sending you digital currency. Creating a key pair follows a specific three-step process. First, a random private key is generated using cryptographically secure random number generation. This randomness is crucial for security. Second, a mathematical algorithm is applied to this private key. Finally, the public key is derived from the private key using this algorithm. This process is one way, meaning you can always derive the public key from the private key, but you cannot reverse the process to discover the private key from the public key. This mathematical property is what makes the system secure. When you want to send cryptocurrency, the transaction process begins with signing. First, you create a transaction that specifies the recipient's address and the amount you want to send. Next, you sign this transaction using your private key. This digital signature proves that you authorize the transaction and that you own the funds being sent. Finally, the signed transaction is broadcast to the blockchain network where it awaits verification. Without the correct private key, you cannot create a valid signature, which prevents unauthorized spending. Once your signed transaction reaches the network, the verification process begins. The network uses your public key to verify the signature you created with your private key. This mathematical verification confirms that the transaction genuinely came from the owner of the private key and hasn't been tampered with. If the signature is valid, the network confirms the transaction came from the legitimate key owner. Finally, the transaction is added to the blockchain, making it permanent and unchangeable. This entire process happens without you ever revealing your private key. Your wallet address is a shortened, hashed version of your public key. The example shown here represents a typical Bitcoin address format. This address is what you share with others when you want to receive cryptocurrency. It's mathematically derived from your public key through a hashing process that makes it shorter and easier to use. Just like sharing your email address to receive messages, you share your wallet address to receive cryptocurrency. The address acts as your account number in the cryptocurrency network. Protecting your cryptocurrency requires following essential security practices. First, always back up your private keys securely offline, preferably in multiple physical locations. Second, consider using hardware wallets for storing significant amounts of cryptocurrency, as these devices keep your private keys isolated from internet-connected computers. Third, never share your private keys with anyone, regardless of who they claim to be. Legitimate services will never ask for your private key. Finally, always verify recipient addresses before sending funds, as cryptocurrency transactions cannot be reversed once confirmed on the blockchain. To better understand public key cryptography, let's compare it to traditional banking. In traditional banking, your account number is public information that others can use to send you money, similar to how a public key or wallet address works in cryptocurrency. Your PIN or password is private information that only you know and use to authorize transactions, just like a private key. The key difference is that in cryptocurrency, you have complete control and responsibility. There's no bank to call if something goes wrong, which is why understanding and protecting your keys is so crucial. Let's review the key concepts. Private keys control your funds and must always stay secret. Losing them means losing access to your cryptocurrency permanently. Public keys are used to verify transactions and can be safely shared with anyone. Transactions are signed with your private key to prove authenticity and authorization. Finally, your security depends entirely on keeping your private keys safe from theft, loss, and unauthorized access. Remember the fundamental principle: your keys, your crypto. You are the sole custodian of your digital assets, which gives you freedom but also complete responsibility for their security.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.